So when we do metric conversions, I'm going to show you how to draw metric street. You're going to need this when you're first learning how to do all these conversions, but once you get this down, it's going to be a piece of cake. So I'm going to draw out metric street. On metric street, there are 7 houses. My last 2 houses are a little small, but those units are smaller, so I'll make it work. This is metric street. If you can memorize this King Hector line to figure out what goes where, it'll help you just like when you memorize the planets when you were in 3rd grade. You guys can do this. King Hector doesn't like drinking chocolate milk. Let me show you how this works. This will help you put the houses in order. Everybody on the left here, these are the big guys. Everybody on the right, those are the small guys. So I'm going to put King Hector doesn't like, mind, gag, drinking chocolate milk. Notice I use capital letters on the left and lowercase letters on the right. The ones on the left are really big, the ones on the right are really small. And that'll help you keep it straight. In the middle, you've got 3 different things. These guys are roommates. You've got liter, meter, and gram. These guys are roomies in the middle. You want to grab the right guy for the job. If I'm measuring how long something is, I'm not going to go grab Mr. Liter. I'm not going to go grab Mr. Gram. I'm going to grab meter to figure out how long it is. You got to choose the right guy for the job. These houses, King Hector doesn't like drinking chocolate milk. We start out with Kilo's house. He's the biggest guy of all. I got Kilo. I've got Hecto. I've got Deca. Strange names, but you'll get them. Then, over here, I have little Desi. So cute. Desi, Senti, and the tiniest of all, Millie. These are my cute little guys at the end. This is metric street, and I'm going to teach you a trick to make metric conversions a piece of cake. When we are converting from one unit to the other, decimeters to decameters, millimeters to meters, centiliters to deciliters, whatever it is, we're going to think about this metric street. Can everybody in here count to 3? Yeah. Okay, then this is going to be a piece of cake because you're only going to go up to 3 houses over. If you move houses over to the left, you're going to divide. If you move houses to the right, you're going to multiply. When we're moving to the right, we're moving the decimal to the right. When we're moving to the left and we're dividing, we're moving the decimal to the left. When you do these conversions, you're going to count the houses that you're jumping over. One house means you're going to multiply or divide by 10. 2 houses, you're going to multiply or divide by 100. 3 houses, we're going to multiply or divide by 1,000. We are only going to go over as many as 3 houses. So really, as long as you can count 1, 2, 3, put the right number of zeros on, do the right number, then we'll be okay. I'm going to show you an example in just a second. If I'm changing 3,000 centimeters to meters, let's just do centimeters to meters. I start at Cindy's house. Am I going to move left or right to get to Meter's house? Left or right? Call it out. Left. So I'm going to divide or multiply. How many houses do I jump? Centis to meters. 1, 2. I'm going to divide 300 divided by 100 because I moved over 2 houses. Well, we went over this the other day. When you divide and there's zeros on both sides, we can take off the zeros. 30 divided by 1 is 30, and my answer is 30 meters. This is the same as taking 3,000 and moving the decimal over 2 spots. You're still going to get 30 meters. Does that make sense?